It's always interesting to review something with this much name recognition because you and I, we all bring our own baggage to something like Xfinity. But let's step back and take a fair look at Xfinity Home Security. Now, as for what you're going to pay for this, there is a base home security package that's $29.99 a month for the first 12 months and $39.95 a month for the second 12 months of a 24-month contract. There may be discounts for existing Comcast customers, and there are bundling options if you want to get other Xfinity services. So it all gets pretty complex. Best to read up. We have a review at reviews.org that gets in depth on all this stuff, so you can check in the comments or in the description below and check that out, or just call an Xfinity agent directly if you want to. Anyway, there is an installation fee. Professional installation is required, and it is a $50 installation fee. And you should also know that once you get this, there is a 30-day return policy. After that, early termination fees are going to apply. As for their equipment, the base package that you get includes a touchscreen control panel, 3 door and window sensors, a motion sensor, and 1 wireless keypad. There is other equipment available a la carte, and you can check out all the pricing on that, but that was just the basic package. Xfinity does have a proprietary video camera, which we like just fine. You can use that to check the live feed with your regular subscription, but if you want to record the video coming out of that, it's $9.95 per month per camera, which if you get more than 1 camera, it's gonna add up pretty quick. As for home automation, yes, it is possible. You can use certain products that integrate with your Xfinity system. It all depends on which one, and there is a list of those, again, in that review. As for your experience with Xfinity Home, well, it's Xfinity, and you can guess what that means. The customer service scores that they get are not great. If I were to offer a pro tip, if you need to contact customer service, use chat instead of the phone. It's a little bit easier for you to stay in control of the conversation and cut it off if necessary. It just takes a little bit longer for you to get through those conversations. Now, the bottom line, is this a good security system? Yes. Is the cost good? Yeah, it's a pretty good cost for a home security system. Xfinity is all about bundling, and this is just a personal preference. I always suggest spreading out your tech a little bit between companies, since it means a little bit more freedom for you, generally speaking. The more you wrap up your internet, your TV, your home security into a single company, the harder it's going to be for you to cut ties and switch if at any point you feel that that's necessary. So for me, I always prefer spreading things out a little bit. You may decide that that is a good thing for you, though, to bundle everything together. If so, Xfinity is a great option, but I'd love to know what you think. So after you like and subscribe, go hit up the comments below. If you've used Xfinity Home or if you have any questions about it, hit up those comments. We'll do what we can to answer those. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you for the next video.